Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are happy, healthy, and doing wonderful today. Today's topic is very important and very helpful for every English learner. The topic is how to learn English speaking easily and fluently. Many people want to speak English confidently. They watch English videos, they read grammar books, they learn vocabulary. But still they cannot speak fluently. Why? Because speaking English is a skill, and every skill becomes better with daily practice. The good news is, you do not need perfect grammar to start speaking English. You do not need expensive courses. You do not need to be afraid. You only need daily practice, simple methods, confidence, and patience. So today, I will share some powerful and practical ways to improve your English speaking skill step by step.
Let's begin. Start thinking in English. This is one of the most powerful habits. Most learners first think in their native language and then translate into English. Because of this, speaking becomes slow and difficult. So from today, try to think directly in English. For example, instead of thinking, "I need to eat now," in your native language, think directly in English. "I am hungry. I want to eat something. The food smells good." Start with simple thoughts. When you wake up in the morning, say, "Today is a beautiful day. I need to brush my teeth. I will study English today." Slowly, your brain will become comfortable with English, and your speaking will become faster.
2. Speak every day. This is very important. If you only study grammar and never speak, you will never become fluent. Speaking English is like learning to ride a bicycle. You cannot learn only by watching. You must practice. So speak English every single day. Even if your English is not perfect, speak anyway. You can speak in front of a mirror, alone in your room, with friends, with family members, or with your mobile phone recorder. Do not wait for perfect English. Start with simple sentences like, "Hello, how are you? My name is Rahim. I live in Bangladesh. I like watching YouTube videos. I am learning English every day." Small daily practice creates big improvement.
3. Listen to English every day. Listening is the key to speaking fluently. Children learn language by listening first. So if you want to speak English naturally, you must listen a lot. Listen to English conversations, podcasts, YouTube videos, English stories, English movies, English news. At first, you may not understand everything. That is completely okay. Keep listening every day. Your ears will slowly become familiar with English pronunciation and sentence patterns, and after some time, speaking becomes easier automatically. 4. Use the listening and repeating method. This method is very effective. Here is how to do it. First, listen to one English sentence carefully. For example, "How are you doing today?" Then pause the video and repeat, "How are you doing today?" Try to copy pronunciation, voice, speed, expression. Repeat again and again. This method improves speaking, pronunciation, confidence, fluency. You can practice with short videos every day for 15 to 20 minutes, and slowly your English speaking skill will improve a lot.
5. Learn simple sentences first. Many learners try to learn difficult English first. That is a mistake. Always start with easy and common sentences. For example, "I am tired. I am busy today. What are you doing? I like tea. Please help me. I understand. I don't know." Simple English is powerful. Even native speakers use simple English in daily life. So do not try to sound perfect. Try to communicate clearly. 6. Improve your vocabulary naturally. Vocabulary is important, but do not try to memorize hundreds of difficult words every day. Instead, learn useful daily words. For example, kitchen, market, school, office, friend, happy, hungry, beautiful, morning, evening. Then make simple sentences. "I am in the kitchen. The market is crowded. My friend is very kind. Learning vocabulary with sentences is much better than memorizing word lists.
7. Don't be afraid of mistakes. This is one of the biggest problems for English learners. Many people stay silent because they are afraid of making mistakes. But remember, mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent English speaker made mistakes in the beginning. Even children make mistakes while learning language, so never feel shy. If you make mistakes, that means you are learning. Confidence is more important than perfection. Speak more, practice more, improve slowly. 8. Read English aloud. Reading aloud is a great exercise. Take a simple English book, article, or short story. Then read loudly. This practice improves pronunciation, fluency, confidence, speaking speed. When you read aloud, your mouth becomes more comfortable with English sounds. You can practice for 10 to 15 minutes every day.
9. Practice daily conversations. Daily conversation practice is very important. Practice common situations like, at the market. How much is this? Can you help me? I want to buy this. At home. I am cooking dinner. Please close the door. Where is my phone? With friends. What are you doing? How was your day? Let's go together. Daily conversation practice makes your English useful and natural. 10. Be consistent. Consistency is the secret of success. Even 20 minutes of daily practice is powerful. Do not study English only one day a week. Practice every day. Small daily improvement creates big results over time. Maybe today your English is weak, but if you continue practicing every day, after 6 months or 1 year, your English will become much better. Never give up. Motivation for English learners. My dear friends, learning English is a journey. Sometimes you will feel motivated. Sometimes you will feel tired. But remember why you started. English can help you. Get better opportunities. Communicate with people around the world. Watch international content. Grow your career. Build confidence.
So continue your journey with patience and positivity. Believe in yourself. You can do it. Practice section. Now let's practice some easy English speaking sentences together. Repeat after me. I am learning English every day. I can speak English confidently. I am improving slowly. Mistakes help me learn. I will never give up. English is becoming easier for me. I enjoy practicing English. I believe in myself. Very good. Practice these sentences every day. So, my dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope this video helps you understand how to learn English speaking easily and fluently. Always remember, speak every day. Listen carefully. Practice regularly. Don't fear mistakes. And believe in yourself. Fluency does not come in one day, but with daily practice, you will definitely improve. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to like the video, comment below, share with your friends, and subscribe to Smooth English Talks for more English learning videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.